This is BVKR. In this session, we will discuss about Standard 7, Chapter 5, Exercise 4, Question number 4. So, this exercise is developed by exterior angle property. That means all the questions which are in this exercise based on exterior property. Exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? The exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle sum. So the exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite interior angles, which means angle B plus angle C. So let us go to give the solution of this question. Solution: in triangle ABC, that exterior angle is equals to 107 degrees. So this 107 degrees is equals to sum of opposite interior angles. See this 100 okay, first of all write the angles. X degrees plus 57 degrees is equals to 107 degrees, which means exterior angle property. Okay, right. Now make a subject x. X degrees is equals to 107. Transpose this 57 to other side. It will be plus here. Then when we transpose, it will be minus. Right. So now what is x? Subtract 0, 5, 50 degrees. So angle x, that is equals to 50 degrees. Now after that, so what will we find? What will you find now? B, C, then A. Right. Angle A we have to find now. To find angle A in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB, that equals to 180 degrees, which means sum of angle sum property. What is it is? Angle sum property. Right. Angle ABC, that means B, it is 50 degrees plus angle BCA, C, 57 degrees plus angle CAB. We don't know about this, we have to find it. So that is the angle A, that equals to 180 degrees. Yeah, 50 plus 57, 107 degrees plus angle A equals to 180 degrees. So angle A here, to be find that angle A, to find angle A, we have to transpose this 107 to that side. I mean transpose 180 minus 107. By subtracting we will get angle A now. This is 3, 7. So angle A is 73 degrees. In this figure, we found that x is equals to 50 degrees, but in the question he is asked us to find x and y. Now we are going to be find the value of y in this figure by using this figure. Here there are two triangles. One is A, C, D. The other one is A, B, C. By using the sum of angle sum property and exterior angle property, we are going to be find the value of y with the help of the given figure. So, in triangle ACD, okay, angle A plus angle D plus angle C. So triangle ACD, angle A plus angle D plus angle C, that is equals to 180 degrees. We know that angle A plus angle D plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. This is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay, angle A, you know that 40 degrees plus angle D, the value is 107 plus angle C, we don't know that is x degrees, equals to 180 degrees. Here 40 plus 107, how much? 7, 4, 147 degrees plus x degrees is equals to 180, make a x, 180 minus 147. See this? We get 33 degrees is the x degrees. Right. Then after we'll go for angle A, B, C. In triangle A, B, C, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. This is also angle sum property. Right. Angle A 40 plus angle B, we don't know that, plus angle C. Angle C, that means this is all is ABC. This is angle A. This is the angle ABC triangle, you know. Angle C, 33 plus 65, 98. That equals to 180 degrees. So 40 plus 98, 138. Plus angle B equals to 180. Angle B equals 180 minus 138. Here we get 130 plus angle B is equals to 180, you know. To find the angle B, you just transpose 138 to other side. That means 180 minus 138. So then angle B equals to 42 degrees. So this is angle B 42 degrees. Angle A 40 degrees, angle B is 42 degrees. It is equals to the exterior angle of Y. So now angle Y equals angle A plus angle B. What is this? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle. And Y equals 40 plus 42, then 82 degrees. Y is equals to 82 degrees. Then X is equals to 50 degrees. That's all.